Welcome back. Let's dive right into today's video. If you're anything like me, your idea of retirement doesn't look like a standard gold watch and a static savings account. The world has changed. Living costs fluctuate, traditional banking interests can't keep pace, and the old-school approach to retirement income feels incredibly restrictive. A while back, I started looking seriously at my long-term financial growth and pension planning. I realized that the conventional model offered by major banks, where your hard-earned wealth is locked away in rigid, low-yield vehicles, just wasn't going to cut it for a modern retirement. I didn't want to just park my capital. I wanted to preserve its purchasing power while maintaining flexibility and control. That frustration led me to step away from typical institutions and explore modern wealth management. Specifically, I started working with Prime Lake Capital to see how a technology-forward firm approaches retirement income. Today, I want to share the story of how my perspective shifted and how pension income can actually be structured to fit the realities of the modern world. When I first started diving into this, my biggest worry was alignment. Traditional retirement plans often feel like a black box. You hand over your life savings, pay hidden fees, and have very little say in how that capital is managed. My experience with Prime Lake Capital completely changed my expectations of wealth management. Instead of filling out generic forms and being sorted into prepackaged funds, I received a highly personalized advisory partnership. The core strategy we mapped out focused on two things that traditional banks rarely offer together: alternative investment strategies and real-time risk management. Instead of relying solely on volatile public stock markets or stagnant bonds, a modern pension structure integrates alternative assets. This gives you global market access to entirely different classes of investments that are designed for long-term wealth creation and stability. It builds a buffer into your portfolio, creating a more resilient foundation for generating consistent retirement income. But what really made me feel secure making this shift was the platform's technology-powered portfolio management. Through their dashboard, I can check on my portfolio anytime, anywhere, on any device. It isn't a chaotic day trading app. It's a highly sophisticated, institutional-grade console built for serious private clients. Prime Lake Capital combines the deep expertise of human analysts with advanced AI-driven market intelligence. In practice, this means the platform actively scans global markets and manages risk in real time. If market conditions shift unexpectedly, the platform allows for agile, risk-managed strategies to protect my holdings instantly. It bridges the gap between old-school human trust and new-school data efficiency, ensuring my retirement solutions are constantly optimized behind the scenes. Fixing my pension structure was the smartest financial move I've made in years. Modern retirement requires a modern approach, one that prioritizes client control, total transparency, and portfolio-backed liquidity, so you're never trapped by rigid rules. By moving away from traditional banking limitations and embracing a client-first structure that blends human advisory with predictive technology, I finally feel like I have a financial roadmap built for the future. Found this useful? Click like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat.